Part 1. How lemons go from acidic to alkalizing. When you drink lemon water, your body neutralizes its acidity through a clever chemical process. Your pancreas releases bicarbonate to balance pH, creating an alkaline effect. This shift helps reduce inflammation, supports digestion, and strengthens immunity. Think of it like this: sour on the tongue, soothing to your system. Many people who switched from coffee to morning lemon water report less bloating and more energy. A simple, natural reset. Part 2. The key benefits of lemons. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, B vitamins, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. They boost immunity and fight colds, support weight management and digestion, balance body pH for better cellular health, brighten skin and slow aging. A study even found that people who drank lemon water daily had improved metabolism and reduced cravings. Part 3. Everyday health applications. Add lemon slices to filtered water to re-energize dead water. Use warm lemon, salt water in the morning for gentle detox. Soak produce in lemon water to remove pesticides naturally. Brighten your skin with lemon scrubs and hair rinses. Real-life example. A mom shared how adding lemon water improved her kids' immunity and reduced school sick days, a tiny daily change with big results. Part 4. Starting a lemon habit. Start your day with 1/2 lemon and warm water and a pinch of sea salt. If you're new, begin slowly and increase over time. You can also use lemon in gentle colon cleanses, hair masks, or body scrubs for freshness and glow. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Even small habits done daily rewire your health long-term. Part 5. Fun detox recipes with lemons. Here are 8 detox formulas for every taste and purpose, from liver-cleansing smoothies to hydrating blends. A few highlights. Lemon honey elixir boosts immunity and balances blood sugar. Lemon, cucumber, cilantro juice refreshes the liver and clears skin. Lemon, mango, kale smoothie nourishes nerves and fights fatigue. Lemon, coconut water mix, a perfect natural rehydrator post-workout. Each one is simple, vibrant, and packed with healing energy. Bonus. Lemon salt electrolyte drink. Mix 1 lemon plus 1 TSP clean salt plus 1 L filtered water. Shake well and chill. Perfect for workouts, hot weather, or recovery days. It restores electrolytes naturally and keeps cramps away. A pure, homemade sports drink. The surprising truth about lemons' benefits from acid to alkaline powerhouse. Hey friends, lemons might taste tangy and acidic, but once they enter your system, they become one of nature's most powerful alkalizing agents. This isn't just folklore, it's rooted in how your body metabolizes them. Today, we'll unpack the science behind this transformation, explore real health benefits, and share simple ways to use lemons daily for balance and vitality. From my perspective, lemons are one of those humble, inexpensive superfoods that quietly do miracles. Sour on the tongue yet sweet for your health. One. How lemons go from acidic to alkalizing. The science explained. The transformation process. Lemons start with a low pH of about 2, definitely acidic. But when you drink warm lemon water on an empty stomach, it moves rapidly to your small intestine. There, your pancreas detects the incoming acid and releases bicarbonate, HCO, a naturally alkaline compound to neutralize it and protect your gut lining. Why it becomes alkalizing. This neutralization triggers a buffering effect that leaves your body's internal environment more alkaline overall. In short, lemons don't bring alkalinity, they stimulate your body to create it. It's the same principle behind how your system maintains pH balance for optimal function. Who benefits most? Anyone struggling with inflammation, infections, fatigue, or acidity-related conditions like arthritis or kidney stones can benefit from this reaction. Combining lemons with green vegetables creates a natural alkaline boost, helping your body restore equilibrium. Personal insight. It sounds counterintuitive. How can something so sour cool down your system? But it's like how vinegar cleans through reaction, the acid kickstarts a balancing response. In a world full of processed, acid-forming foods, lemon acts like nature's reset button. Real-life example. A Journal of Environmental and Public Health study found that diets rich in citrus fruits lowered urinary acidity and improved kidney health. Similarly, One wellness blogger with chronic inflammation shared that starting her mornings with lemon water eased her arthritis flares and boosted her energy, a simple ritual that felt like medicine too. The key benefits of lemons: nutrient power and health boosts. Lemons may look small, but they're nutritional giants packed with vitality-boosting compounds that help your body stay strong, hydrated, and youthful. Nutrient profile. Lemon water is rich in vitamin C, B vitamins, and key minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all essential for immunity, bone strength, nerve health, and fluid balance. That's why even a single glass in the morning acts like a mini nutrient shot for your system. Top health perks. Weight management. The natural pectin fiber in lemons helps you feel full longer, curbing cravings and reducing overeating. Immune defense. Vitamin C powers white blood cells, helping you fight off colds and infections. Body alkalization promotes pH balance, creating a healthier environment for cellular function. Blood pressure regulation. Potassium supports heart rhythm and steady blood flow. Anti-aging effects. Antioxidants in lemons fight oxidative stress, keeping your skin firm and radiant. Detox and blood purification. Encourages gentle flushing of toxins through the liver and kidneys. Temperature regulation. Helps your body maintain stable warmth by supporting healthy circulation. Digestive support. Eases bloating, constipation, and indigestion. Combine with honey for an extra soothing effect. Personal insight. Adding lemon to your water is like upgrading from regular fuel to premium. It hydrates you more effectively and brings an added layer of healing, a small ritual with big impact. Real-life example. A nutrition journal study found that participants who drank lemon water daily lost more weight than those drinking plain water, thanks to improved satiety and digestion. Similarly, one fitness influencer shared how starting each morning with warm lemon honey water reduced her bloating and boosted confidence. She called it her liquid sunshine. 3. Everyday health applications making lemons work for you. Now that you know why lemons are powerful, let's look at how to use them every day for real, visible results, from better digestion to glowing skin. Reviving dead water. Filtered or bottled water often loses its natural energy and mineral structure. Add a few lemon slices or peels to infuse life back into it. The citrus oils and negative ions improve hydration efficiency, helping nutrients reach your cells faster. Detox for organs. Lemons gently stimulate liver bile production, helping your body break down fats and clear toxins. Try this morning ritual: warm water, plus a pinch of natural salt plus lemon juice. It often triggers a bowel movement within 10 minutes, helping you start the day clean inside out. Immune and weight support. High vitamin C and potassium boost immunity, energy, and circulation, while lemon's pectin fiber curbs appetite. A simple glass before meals can help reduce overeating. Skin rejuvenation. Lemon's antioxidants and vitamin C fuel collagen production, fading wrinkles, evening tone, and even calming acne or ingrown hairs. It's skincare from the inside out. Natural produce cleanser. Soak fruits and veggies in lemon water, juice plus peels, to strip away pesticide residues. The mild alkalinity and citrus oils cleanse surfaces better than plain water and leave a fresh scent. Personal insight. Lemons are the ultimate multitasker, not just food, but a natural cleaner, skincare ally, and internal detoxifier. Start small if you're new to it, since strong acids can be harsh on sensitive stomachs at first. Real-life example. In one detox program, participants who washed their produce with lemon water reported fewer skin irritations and improved digestion after 3 weeks. A mom on a parenting forum also shared how giving her kids warm lemon water during flu season cut their sick days in half, proving that small rituals can make a big difference. 4. Starting a lemon habit. Gentle ways to incorporate it. Building a healthy lemon routine doesn't mean overdoing it. Your body responds best to steady, consistent use. Start small, listen to your body, and make it a comforting part of your daily rhythm. Morning ritual. Begin your day with 1 lemon squeezed into 300 to 500 ml of warm water, plus a pinch of natural sea salt. This simple mix helps detox the liver, cleanse the stomach, and stabilize both blood sugar and blood pressure. Add a little honey if you prefer a soothing flavor. Build tolerance gradually. If you're new to lemon water, start with just a few drops in warm water each morning. Gradually increase to half or one full lemon as your body adjusts. This prevents irritation while still promoting alkalization. Colon cleanse options. Oral flush. Mix 500 ml coconut water plus 4 tsp sea salt plus juice of 1 lemon. Drink once or twice on rest or fasting days to help clear the digestive tract. Gentle enema. Use 2 liters of warm water, 37 to 38 degrees C, with juice from 1 to 5 lemons plus a pinch of salt. This traditional cleanse supports colon health and energy renewal. Always proceed with care and professional guidance. Other creative uses. Scalp and hair care. Rinse hair with lemon water to reduce dandruff and improve shine. Skin brightening. Use lemon halves as a natural scrub for underarms, knees, or dark spots. Natural cleaner. Make enzyme-rich lemon peel solutions for washing produce or surfaces. If you're sensitive, feeling mild stomach discomfort, that's often a sign of excess acid. Try drinking warm, diluted lemon water after meals instead of on an empty stomach until your digestion strengthens. Personal insight. Lemons are a staple. I never let my kitchen run out of affordable, safe, and endlessly useful. Whether in water, meals, or cleaning, they bring freshness and healing everywhere. Real-life example. A participant in a detox challenge shared that her first few days of lemon water caused mild bloating, but after a week, her digestion improved noticeably. Meanwhile, an athlete reported that lemon salt scrubs after workouts helped neutralize body odor and refreshed his skin. Simple rituals with big results. 5. Fun detox recipes with lemons. 8 formulas for cleansing and healing. Lemons are a star in countless detox routines, from 3-day resets to 28-day cleanses, because they naturally support your liver, kidneys, and digestive fire. After diving deep into research and some home experiments, I'm convinced lemon water isn't a trend, it's a timeless tool. Below are 8 Vietnamese-inspired recipes that are simple, refreshing, and incredibly effective. 1. Morning warm lemon water. How? Squeeze 1 lemon into 300 to 500 ml warm, not hot water. When? On an empty stomach right after waking. Benefits. Flushes out toxins, stimulates bile production, and preps digestion for the day. Real-life example. Participants in a wellness program reported feeling lighter and more awake. One dad said it even helped him ditch his morning coffee habit. 2. Lemon honey elixir. How? Mix juice of 1 lemon plus 1 tsp raw honey plus 300 ml warm water. When before breakfast or mid-afternoon to fight energy dips. Benefits. Stabilizes blood sugar, soothes the liver, and boosts immunity. Real-life example. Office workers in a small trial saw steadier energy levels. One participant said it became her go-to hangover remedy. 3. Heavy metal detox smoothie. How? Blend lemon juice with blueberries, banana, cilantro, dulse seaweed, and orange juice. When breakfast during 3 to 9 to 28-day detox cycles. Benefits. Citric acid enhances metal flushing and nutrient absorption. Real-life example. Detoxers reported sharper focus. A blogger said her brain fog disappeared after 10 days. 4. Lemon, cucumber, cilantro juice, liver cooler. How? Juice 1/2 lemon plus 1/2 cucumber plus a handful of cilantro. When? Mid-morning or late afternoon. Benefits. Cools inflammation, alkalizes the blood, and supports liver detox. Real-life example. A juicing fan shared her skin looked glassier after 2 weeks of daily use. 5. Lemon, mint, watermelon blend. How? Juice fresh watermelon plus 1 lemon plus a few mint leaves. When? After workouts or on hot days. Benefits. Replenishes electrolytes, cools the body, and hydrates deeply. Real-life example. Athletes loved this for faster recovery. One called it a natural sports drink. 6. Lemon, garlic, cilantro dressing. How? Mix juice of 1 lemon plus minced garlic plus cilantro plus optional honey or mustard. When? With salads, brown rice, or noodles. Benefits. Boosts digestive enzymes and enhances flavor while cleansing the liver. Real-life example. Vegans in a clean eating challenge said it improved digestion and made greens more exciting. 7. Lemon, mango, kale smoothie. How? Blend 1 ripe mango plus 1 tablespoon lemon juice plus kale plus 100 ml water. When? As a breakfast or snack. Benefits. Rich in vitamins C and A, fiber, and antioxidants, great for fatty liver and nerve health. Real-life example. Nutrition program participants saw better liver enzyme results after 4 weeks. 8. Lemon, coconut water mix. How? Combine 1/2 lemon plus 200 ml fresh coconut water. When? Midday or post-exercise. Benefits. Supplies potassium and magnesium while calming adrenals and hydrating cells. Real-life example. Yogis and hikers swear by this for quick recovery and mental clarity. Personal insight. Lemons prove that detox doesn't need to be extreme. These recipes are accessible, delicious, and effective. Think of them as small daily rituals that bring big cumulative results: clearer skin, better mood, and more vitality. Bonus. Homemade lemon, salt electrolyte drink for sweat sessions. When you sweat, whether from workouts, outdoor labor, or even sauna sessions, your body loses not just water, but essential minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Lemons make the perfect base for a natural electrolyte drink that's cheap, clean, and effective. How? Juice 1 fresh lemon, add 1 teaspoon of clean, unrefined sea salt, and mix into 1 liter of filtered water. Stir until the salt fully dissolves. You can chill it for up to 24 hours for a crisp, refreshing taste. When? Drink after workouts, hiking, or intense sweating to restore hydration and prevent dizziness or muscle cramps. Benefits. This simple formula replenishes lost electrolytes, maintains your fluid balance, and supports heart and nerve function without any added sugar or synthetic flavors. Real-life example. Runners in hot weather studies maintained higher endurance using homemade electrolyte mixes versus commercial drinks. A construction workers forum post praised this lemon-salt combo for keeping cramps and fatigue away during 10-hour shifts. Personal insight. I call this the natural Gatorade, pure, affordable. Lemons may be small, but their impact is huge. They cleanse, energize, heal, and balance, all from nature's simplest fruit. Add them to your morning routine, your meals, or even your self-care rituals, and feel your body thank you. My advice. Start tomorrow morning just 1 glass of warm lemon water. Then come back in a week and tell me how you feel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a natural boost of vitality. Stay radiant, stay balanced. See you in the next video.